Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find applications and permissions. Then let's tap on App Manager and pick 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually do. So it will reset the preferences for the disabled apps and the notifications, the default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and all allowed restrictions. No worries, you won't lose any app data, so basically all you have to do is to tap on Reset Apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.